In my previous life, while repairing Blue Star's automated production line, I was killed by an explosion of my power core. When I opened my eyes, I crossed over to the Shangzhou continent, became the grandson of the Prince of Suppression. There's absolutely no basic industry here. Transportation relies solely on horse-drawn carriages. This time around, my industrial knowledge finally has a place to shine. I'm going to crush everything with steel and technology. The flaw on the left side isn't obvious. Fully suppress. Got it? Hold on. His scales are about to give way. Increase the magic output. Strike his head. Grandpa, stop! The mech's power core can't handle it. Switch the output power. Sidestab attack. Quick, protect Soviet. And the other 4 mechs. Encircle from all 4 corners. Switch to Battle Blade. Activate his wound. Grandpa, how do you know all this? I just did some research. Studied the remnants of goblin mechs in the study. And the war notes, that's all. 300 years ago, goblins invented magic power cores and built the Dalita mechs, completely changing the rules of war since then. This mech's power is way too redundant. It's extremely expensive, also difficult to mass produce. The cost effectiveness in real combat is too low. What do you propose? Build railroads first, then manufacture wooden locomotives. Once the foundation of basic industry is laid, then accumulate funds, develop mass production weapons. My grandson never ceases to amaze me. I know your talent is unmatched in this world, but railway construction is a massive undertaking, and no one has ever tried it. Are you confident? Railway technology. I'm absolutely confident. All I need is your approval and startup funds. All right, I'll give you authorization. Mobilize resources from the fief. 30% of funds. If you fail, take it as practice. Thank you, Grandpa. 30% of funds. Maybe it'll plant a seed for the future. This kid is a genius in technology. But he hasn't considered that this idea will shake up a lot of vested interests. Your Highness, let me assist the young master. This ring contains materials for you. Everything from Zhaijing and Guangxi is included. I'm going to rewrite the rules of this holy continent. Personally. Age 12. High-level mage. It's a talent unseen in the kingdom for a century. This moment is finally here, in this sleepless silence. I'm weaving magic and truth into magic technology, engineering in practice. Still missing one crucial link. Time is running out. Young Master Leiden. These tracks are very expensive, and no one knows if they can carry heavy loads. The merchants can't take risks. If or from the mines is transported to the ironworks by rail, transport costs can drop by 30%. I'll guarantee it. You'll break even in half a year. Powered by a basic magic element power core. 10 times the load capacity of a carriage. 3 times the speed. Connect Long Mine to the Vogdi Ironworks. Shorten the transport distance by 10 kilometers. But this technology has never been tested. I'll vouch for it in the name of the prince. If there's a loss, the fief will cover it. All right. The merchants are willing to cooperate with the young master. 212. Start again. Solid as a rock. All materials for the young master have arrived. Expected completion in 3 months.
Next.
It's time for this world to witness the true power of steel. At this moment, we're rewriting the history of transportation on the continent. Magic tentacles. Motorcycle starts. It's a success! Your Majesty, the return from the motorized train will be incalculable for the kingdom. I'm willing to share the railroad technology. Your grandson's magic motor train is about to shake up the kingdom's transportation system. You have nationwide railroad development rights. But 20% of profits go to the royal family. Now transportation is 5 times faster than before. We also got the national railroad development rights. What's your plan next? Mass production of motor trains? Monopolize transportation. Accumulate capital. Then create real weapons of war. His Highness the Prince has paved the way. You can freely enter the Knight's Research Institute. The prince's grandson, right? That railroad your grandpa built nearly bankrupted our family's transport business. Dare to mess with me? I'll show you the strength of a high-level mage. No private duels allowed in the academy. You want to get expelled? Just wait and see. I'll make you pay sooner or later. Look. Who's going to present first? Instructor, I'll demonstrate flame impact. Perfect timing. High-level fighter standard. What about your magic level? Your talent as a high-level mage is truly extraordinary. Better keep it under wraps. I just know a little. The magic pocket watch in this world has no mechanical components. It's powered entirely by magic. What a waste of magic power. Whoa, these control skills and mechanical understanding are impressive. Senior, you have sharp insight. Are you in the alchemy department? I'm Josie. So you're the genius Josie. Perfect. I have something I'd like you to see. Keep going down this dead end. The nationwide railroad now stretches 3,000 kilometers. 50 motor trains. We've already monopolized 80% of the kingdom's and grain transport. Last week's net profit broke 1 million gold coins. According to the optimized alchemy formula Josie and I developed, motor train power efficiency is up another 15%. Failure rate down by 30%. Major nobles crowded to surrender for shares. The benefits from holding shares are immeasurable for the kingdom. Even the king can't sit still anymore. They sent envoys to ask about railway line access. Everyone's eyeing this juicy profit. Exchange rights for minerals or alchemy technology. We want research funds, not favors. Jixing Academy is the nation's top comprehensive college. Access to cutting-edge technology. I'll get you and Josie in together. We've completed the basic theory at the Knights Research Institute. Perfect time to finish the tank and airplane blueprints at Kixing. Also see how many talented youths the kingdom has to offer. Grandpa has sorted out the motor train profits. Fully backing you guys. Wow, I've never seen so much money. Act more mature. It'll only get bigger from here. Strength meets the standard. No issues with batch production. Prioritize 50 magic crystals. Ensure supply of these materials. First batch will be delivered within a week. Nice. The lines look beautiful. Mix black iron magic crystals with new alloy. Power output can increase another 20%. The tank needs to be equipped with alchemical heavy cannons. Wrap the outer layer with 3 layers of special alloy. Can withstand high-level magic attacks, becoming a dominating force on the battlefield airplanes. As long as the mobility structure is optimized and matched with a lightweight alloy body, can achieve high-altitude reconnaissance. Break through traditional battlefield spatial restrictions. Oh my god. If all this gets actually built, it'll be heaven-defying. Polaris Academy. I'm going to make every genius there become a driving force behind these weapons. Young master, this headband can suppress your magic power. Be sure to keep a low profile. The Academy's Alchemy Lab. I made inquiries in advance. The equipment is much more advanced than the military academies. It's perfect for testing the tank core model. Keep a low profile upon enrollment. Recruit any useful talents. Never stop the research. The resources here will be the key for building my influence. Let me introduce the new transfer student. Nalin Satate, Advanced Mage. Hello everyone, my name is Nalin Satate. Found you. Surin, my classmate, the prince's grandson, suppresses his magic power with a headband. Judging by the scent, there's werewolf blood hiding in you. Am I right? You've been investigating me? What do you want? Blood magic. You're from the Blood Clan. Relax, it's just a Blood Clan gift. Bloodlines don't lie. But what I'm really interested in is the one who can make magic vehicles. Your mechanical knowledge intrigues me more. Are you interested in cooperating with me? So you're interested in this too. I know many ancient Blood Clan alchemy secrets. Some of them might help you make your iron tide a reality. Following Surin's design approach. The main problem is the stability of sustained output from the power core. With blood magic enhancement, there's still room for improvement. If you can create something like this, I knew you were the right person.
I'm in.
Welcome to the team. With you on board, my Iron Tide plan can reach a new level. In this live combat exercise, let's team up. Sure, we need to work together and assign roles. I specialize in mid-range strikes, and my magic output can cover your attack blind spots. I improved our alchemy shields overnight. They can withstand attacks from beasts below level 3000. I'm good with close-range charges and scouting. I'll break through their defenses up front. You guys, follow me. Stay alert. Right flank all clear. The forest is a testing ground for basic real combat, but unexpected guests are common. Don't relax. There's more in the forest than this. Shields. Rear shield, deploy. I'll reinforce it. I'll handle Ross. Don't lower your guard. There's more movement ahead. I heard it too. The magic elements are chaotic. There's a high-tier beast nearby. Not good. Scans show it's at least a level 5 beast. The info matches black-blue magic fire. We should retreat. No, the terrain in the deep forest is complicated. If we just retreat, it'll chase and wear us down. Josie, go set up paralysis traps at the canyon entrance immediately. Nari, start charging advanced blood magic now. When it falls into the trap, hit it with everything you have. Attack its weak spots. But what they didn't know was this was only the beginning of the Sachi Forest nightmare. The real beast horde is closing in from all sides. Dragon Showdown. Careful! I've set the final defense traps at the canyon entrance. Got it. So this is the Magic Beast magic box. That was close. This thing is perfect for our research. Rushed here from Cosno in 1 hour. Motorcycle transport. That's terrifying. Full army, support Sachi Forest. Focus on Surin's squad. It's almost sunrise. Duray, how are you holding up? Can you still go on? Glad you're okay. It's all thanks to the magic vehicle's transportability. That's what I call technology changing lives. He only got his position through connections, yet dares compare to me? Canny. No provoking allowed at the academy. Surin's abilities are out of your league. Stay out of this. This time, I'll expose your true colors in front of everyone. Let you taste what an advanced mage can really do. Blazing spiral. Uh, is that all you've got? Hmm. You lost. Impossible. We won. Kanye always thinks too highly of himself. Surin is no ordinary student. The energy from this magic box is way stronger than normal power sources. With this, the tank will not only be completed, but its power will reach a new level. I can't wait to see it. When will you show me? Don't worry. Very soon. Morning. Looks like it's about to start. The prince gets more muddle-headed with age, letting a kid tinker with this hunk of metal. Can it really be stronger than the knight's mech? Total waste of minerals and magic crystals, if you ask me. Exactly. The cost of this thing is said to be less than 1/10 of a level 3 mech. How powerful can it be? If your grace doesn't believe it, why not let your knight's mech give it a try? Whoever destroys the other's machine, no further contest, agreed? Kids have no idea how strong the real army is. Let me show you the kingdom army's might. Tank fire. Accelerate. His joints can't take it anymore. Should we keep going? Take the mech away. This tank costs only 1/10 of a mech. It can be mass-produced, operated by magic. One cannon shot equals level 5 magic defense. It can withstand a full-powered strike from a level 3 mech. This is the future rule of warfare. Surin, for your werewolf bloodline, awakening requires the blood of fearful prey. This death row convict is the perfect target. Nalin, your pure blood progenitor blood clan lineage is extremely potent. When you awaken, the energy will be fierce. You may lose control. If there's any sign of a loss of control, I will activate the suppression immediately. Spare me. I don't want to die. Did you ever give your innocent victims a choice when you took their lives? Today, your blood will serve a higher purpose. Not good, it's out of control. The energy is rising too fast. Both awakenings are affecting each other. Looks like it's under control. Your bloodline. Could it be you also have diluted blood clan blood? My bloodline might relate to my father. I haven't heard from him in a very long time. Oh my alchemy god, this is bloodline resonance. A once-in-a-millennium phenomenon. This completely challenges everything we know about bloodline studies. On a first awakening, to actually help stabilize a high-tier blood clan member instead. Try this. From now on, I will be your sharpest blade and strongest shield. At your command. My own hidden dangers are basically resolved. Next, we need to gather enough fuel for our iron tide. The underlying risks are basically resolved. Next, we need to gather enough fuel for our steel army. It's time to secure sufficient fuel. You invested so much. Just to make something like this? Will it really work? This mechanical watch is not just an ordinary toy. Don't worry. Your performance will be evaluated soon. Everyone, please quiet down. This is a mechanical watch designed by the Soviet young master. Not only does it tell time accurately, but it's also a status symbol. Using top-tier alchemy technology, each piece is a unique masterpiece. Selling a broken watch for 100 gold coins. Isn't that too expensive? Even if you own magical items, it's enough. Who would spend so much money on a watch? This is no ordinary watch, everyone. It doesn't use any magic at all. Only basic mechanical parts are used. In this era, I guarantee what I make is one of a kind. Only this kind of style fits me. I want one. Reserve a limited edition for me. I want 10 to gift to my business partners. This spot is mine. Don't even think about taking the gold. Here with me. What gives you the right to take it? The Soviet young master is a sensation. In just 3 days, 10,000 watches sold out. Pure profit reached 10 million gold coins. So, you don't have confidence in Soviet products? These gold coins are enough to mass-produce 10 batches of tanks and warplanes. The funds issue for the military factory has been completely solved. All our funds are invested in the military factory. Priority is to mass-produce warplanes and magical alloy. This kind of product must stay in limited supply to maintain its high-end status. The Langku kingdom suddenly invaded the Yemenic border. The defenders are retreating step by step. The king of Yemenic is asking for our support. Otherwise, Yemenic's capital will be breached. The magic train has been optimized. Top speed is now 120 kilometers per hour. From St. Peter's domain to Yemenic's border, the entire distance is 800 kilometers. We can make it in a single night. Each carriage has 2 mages maintaining a magical shield to prevent attacks from monsters along the way. Is the Josie power system reliable? I personally debugged it. Every part was tested 3 times. Rest easy, I guarantee it. Time's up. Let's go. Everyone speed up and get aboard. Get into position promptly. Keep the formation. This is the kingdom's first time using magic trains for large-scale troop transport. It's also the first time our weapons are on the battlefield. Hold the defensive line. Jalen, get back. We can't hold on. Hang in there. We mustn't retreat any further. Even if I'm the last one, I'll stop them. Bega, we can't hold on anymore. That damned mech is too powerful. It's okay. Reinforcements are almost here. Master. The iron train. We made it. Since we're here, let this land remember the iron will of Ivisu. In just one night, you really arrived. This is a miracle. Rest assured, Your Majesty. From now on, we'll take full charge of the war. In such a short time, you managed to bring weapons to counter Lanku's mechs. They can't hold on. Mech charge. Crush them. I want to have morning tea on Yamanik's throne. Ah! All units open fire. What is that? Monster. Don't panic. The opponent already scored. Continue attacking. Power 13. Ah, Soviet. Your mechs are way too strong. I bet you can't hold back either. Stay safe. Don't worry, my dear. What kind of monster is that? Retreat quickly. Soviet young master, thank you for your support. You saved Yamanik. Yamanik is willing to submit to the kingdom of Ivisu and share all resources. Father specially ordered a Tier 4 mech from Thunderfire Military. This time, I'll crush your pitiful self-esteem, right in front of everyone. You got lucky last time, Soviet. This time, let's compete with mechs. Hiding in that outdated shell. Don't blame me if I don't give you a chance to surrender. Connie's fierce thing is a true war weapon equipped with a molten-type magical cannon. Theoretical output can destroy standard Academy-grade shields with one hit. Soviet's mech still looks like a basic model, right? I wanted to get along as a regular person, exchange skills, and grow together. But instead, all I got was relentless hostility. No more pretending. In the field of mech control, I do have some talent. I'm laying my cards on the table. The mana resonance frequency of dragon scale alloy perfectly matches the Soviets' bloodline fluctuation. Next, let's see how it transmits in real combat. Besides, werewolf form matches your bloodline too, so reaction speed increases by a level. Arrogant fool, stop bragging, die. All you do is scurry around like a rat. If you've got guts, don't run. Face me directly. Cannon interval is 2.5 seconds. During charge, the mech balance has slight openings. You're clearly overly reliant on heavy firepower, ignoring basic mobility. Activating Dragon Scale Alloy Resonance. Core weak spot location. Should match standard Thunderfire Type 4 structure. Damn it, you! Surrender, Connie. Impossible. That simply can't be. Fierce Fang's main cannon was stopped head-on. Not just stopped, it was cut open by a blade. Full of flaws. Impossible, my core is collapsing. How could this happen? How could this happen? What material is that? That last shot. How did he know Fierce Fang's power core location so precisely? That's Thunderfire Military's classified structure. Mana conduction efficiency actually reached 98% of theoretical value. An unbelievable figure. Soviet, I was careless this time. Next time, I'll beat you for sure. Look, it doesn't matter what you do. You're not even on my path forward. What I want to conquer is the sea of stars. It's been 3 years since my mother told me on her deathbed to search for answers in the vampire secret realm. I've been waiting for this moment. Narin, are you there? Here at the Soviet side, the elders are waiting for you. You finally came. I've been waiting for you for a long time. The highest vampire secret tome, Chapter of Original Blood, contains not just history, but also the truth about your father, August Nightshade. Who was he really? A Tier 9 vampire high mage. The one closest to divinity a century ago, but he took a very different path. He foretold that under divine authority, only steel can break through. Lord August dedicated his life to combining magic and technology, but his research threatened the very foundations of the divine realm. His disappearance is connected to the puppet factions. The fusion of machinery and magic. Defying theocracy. The fragments of the truth about the disappearance have finally come together. My father not only predicted the path forward, he also left the key behind. I understand now. To find my father, to fulfill his vision, I must first build my own strength. An organization independent of the old rules. Go ahead. The Blood Clan will always have your back. Everyone, today we're about to step into a much larger world. My conclusion is, magic has never been the only way. By combining magical runes with mechanical structures, we can create entirely new possibilities. These are not fantasies, but the iron tide of the future. Comrade Soviet, your design concepts are ahead of their time, but the mechanical structure still has at least 3 major areas for improvement. Please enlighten us. First, the track suspension design can be redone. Load capacity can increase by 40%. Second, energy consumption can decrease by 15%. Third, and most importantly, with current forging technology, It's impossible to mass-produce your high-precision components. But I have a solution. Finally, someone who truly wants to build things. It's worth dedicating all my skills. Addressing every technical pain point with precision. This person isn't just a theorist who talks on paper, but a true practitioner. I'm Mavis, a distinguished professor at the School of Mechanical Engineering. I want to join the Steel Research Department. Welcome aboard. You are exactly the kind of expert we need. Ladies and gentlemen of the Steel Research Department, we welcome such talent. Our next goal is to reach the skies. Let our creations break through. Father, are you seeing this? The first wave of the iron tide has already risen. From the secret realm to the academy, your vision will be realized together by all of us. Based on the blueprints optimized by Soviet and Mavis, and powered by blood magic, this thing can reach a top speed of 500 kilometers per hour. It can also carry up to 12 magic bombs. This hunk of iron is so heavy and clunky. It'll crash sooner or later. It's nothing compared to our airborne cavalry mechs. Inefficient magical propulsion. The fragile body can't take a hit. Ready to make them eat their words? Since you're all so confident, I'll let you fly first. Arrogant, don't come crying later.
Take off.
Way too slow. It's real. We did it. Wow, that's awesome. That little trick won't last long. Damn beast. Get down now. Magical stealth system. Stealth magic engaged. But how could a fighter do that? Demonstration is over. My turn now. Report, incoming missiles from the rear. Can't shake them. Something's wrong. Let's see which is easier. Too strong, unbelievably strong. I can't wait to mass produce this and take over the skies. The Kenrim Empire leads 5,000 soldiers. 30 mechs and 10 aerial cavalry squads are approaching the border. They're calling it a friendly visit, but they're really testing our military strength. The Kenrim Empire is formidable. They even have an 8th-tier mage commanding the troops, our fighter jets and tanks, including the new things you recently built. Haven't faced such a brutal battlefield before. Should we seize the initiative? Grandpa, I understand the risks, but some battles must be fought. I will fight for Evisu, and also show the Empire, and everyone still watching on this continent, that the rules of the era have changed. About His Majesty, I'll explain, just go do it. Grandpa and the entire kingdom are your backing. All combat units, listen up. Level 1 combat readiness. Josie, activate the Iron Titan. All defensive systems online. Prioritize power supply to the compound shield. I want you to ensure shield core stability. Understood. Main shield generator preheating. Deflective crack initializing. Calibration complete. All cannons begin charging. Naline, you'll lead the first fighter squadron. Take off and stand by. Remember, your primary mission is to seize air superiority. Take down those aerial cavalry units. Got it, Commander. I'll show them the meaning of shadow. General Tuttle, the coastal defense is in your hands. 30 dragon-scale alloy tanks. Divide into 3 defensive echelons. Roger that. I'll make sure none of them return. Pass on the orders. Let Master Russell and his mage team give these country bumpkins a lesson. Skybreaker Cavalry Archery. Target that iron box. All red cavalry units, take off. Clear the skies. Thunder God's Fury. Destroy that arrogant steel. The opponent's 8th tier mage is beyond our calculation range. Shield levels dropping rapidly. Impressive as expected. That's the true strength of an old empire. Josie, activate the shielding. Frequency shifting. Naline, the skies are yours. Disrupt their spellcasting rhythm. The hunt begins. All units, open fire. I can't see them. Retreat quickly. What kind of monster is this? Listen up, Kenrim Commander. This is just a warning. If your empire dares to lay a finger on Evisu again, next time, I'll personally visit your capital port in Kenrim and pay you a visit. This heart of Yonite, its core power lies in harmonizing and amplifying. It can maximize the resonance between you two. This heart of Yonite could be the key to breaking your bottleneck. Snow Wolf howls at the moon. This feeling, my blood magic isn't just stronger. The depth of resonance is totally different. So that's how it is. The power of werewolves stands for substance and burst. The power of the bloodkin represents intangibility and corrosion. A brand new composite power is born. This energy is strong enough to challenge a 9th tier fighter head-on. Direct connection to the circuit will burn it out. There must be a buffer layer. The divine and the energy are too violent. Blood magic is needed for stability. Blood magic infusion. This is a qualitative change. This power can blast through any mech's defenses. Likewise, the carrier's defense shields will be much stronger. Fighter jets can also get corresponding enhancements. Mass upgrades can be done within a week. It's not an energy issue. The key strengthening material for dragon scale alloy is lobium, and our stockpile is 0. Human Kid Ray, lobium metal, is an ancestral legacy guarded by the Tongshu tribe for generations. Don't think just because you made some running motorcycles, you can trick us out of our treasure. You see those broken pieces? Nope. That advanced equipment your trade caravan bragged about couldn't even make it past the first level of our mine before falling apart. Even our hammers and pickaxes work better. If you want to work together, show some sincerity. Major design flaws exist. The gear ratio is wrong. The mana conduction unit is fragile. It simply cannot withstand the high-density magic inside Velobium mines. It's not just a design issue. The materials are useless too. Velobium ore naturally slightly rejects and interferes with magic. If you use conventional silvershine alloy for the core parts, it creates stress concentration. It's a miracle they didn't fall apart. Anyone can talk big. If you can actually bring out mining machines better than our dwarf tech, prove it to us. What if we provide better equipment? With your workmanship. If you really can do it, this whole mine, we'll give it to you. It's just a gear mesh design flaw, that's all. The old equipment was too primitive anyway. This is what you call irreparable scrap. But from my perspective, it's just missing a special function. The wind will guide every structure back to where it belongs. Using magic to fix machines. These kids are barely out of childhood. All they know are flashy tricks like this. Street Magician's Gourd, activate. That's impossible. This efficiency is insane. This is the real bargaining chip I'm giving you to change the world. This. I, Hemagram, swear by the spirit of my ancestors, the Tongshu tribe is willing to ally with you. We are not plunderers, we're partners. Now that we have top-tier materials, the peak of our steel armada is within reach. Honored guests, today young Master Sulian personally presents the launch of the Star Trek MKII wristwatch. It uses an all-mechanical structure with no magic involved, achieving unprecedented precision timekeeping. Dragon-scale alloy for the watch body. Can withstand direct hits from up to third-tier spells. This is not just a timepiece. It's the ultimate symbol of status, safety, and extraordinary craftsmanship. 5,000 gold coins each. President M3, your timepiece craftsmanship is truly unique. But that's just ridiculous. Defense against magic spells? Who knows if that's just a gimmick? If you have the guts, prove it on the spot. Let's have young Master Sulian demonstrate. Sir, you have to be part of the demonstration. You don't mind, do you? What are you trying to do? It's over. Shield activated. Had enough yet? This model goes perfectly with your red bucket. Thanks! Only because I trust your skills. This kind of secret item, no matter how many, I want them all. No matter the price. Reserve 5 custom pieces for me immediately. The young master has gone mad. 10,000 units sold out instantly. That's at least 50 million gold in pure profit. Just as expected. For the true upper class, a sense of security is priceless. Our steel armada now truly has an endless source of power. Sulian, I need to beat you to it. The Empire should possess this as well. Divine Core Tank. It's the iron backbone of AVs. Three hours of continuous, high-intensity testing. Hit rate exceeds 98%. Villab ore is more than enough. Mass-producing another 500 units won't be a problem. The Ants of Hemos. Hand over the mineral veins and divine core technology. Otherwise, you'll be turned to ashes.
He's a 7th-tier mage of the Empire. Tank formations.
Encircle from 3 directions. How long can Josie's frontal shield hold? 2 minutes at most. Then don't give them a chance to ignite. Naling, wait for the right moment. Hey, leave it to me. A flaw of 1,000 seconds. Bloodline dynamic vision can capture it perfectly. Blast these chunks of iron for me. Maintain the array. Advance together. This person's flames will consume everything. Energy ring activated. Full power output. Understood. Barrier deploying. Please maintain formation. Shield forms a solid defense line. Fire. Impossible. How was my shield breached? Goodbye, mage. Don't come back in your next life. Soviet young master. Elves are requesting help. Elves never ask for help outside their forests. Something serious has happened. Depart for the elven forest. The situation here is even more brutal than we imagined. Let these foolish elves witness the power of cannons. Your Excellency, Soviet. The Empire's tycoons are forcefully mining the millennial energy crystal. We can't last much longer. Millennial energy crystal. That's a precious upgrade for Mechas. Nalin, no matter what happens. The elves need us. Support data synchronization completed. Thrusters preheating. Stabilized at 8%. Let them experience 3-dimensional strikes. 15 mechs are defending around the heart of the forest. Target locked. Just elves? They don't deserve such a treasure. Launch. Rats hiding in the shadows. My mecha is specially designed for you. Divine Core actively connecting with Wind Essence. Divine Core has responded. Let's test its power then. Impossible. May this power bring true peace to the world. I promise. Looks like he really is a troublemaker. Next, keep within this range. Understood. Let's completely scrap our divine box. Energy leakage. Quick, shut down the furnace. The furnace's self-defense system hasn't activated. No, it's sabotage. There's traces of magic. Stop right there. Die. Take him down. Tell me, what does the Empire really want? I don't know. Let you taste the burn of your bloodline. I'm here. The Empire is building divine cannons. They sent us to eliminate any forces that could threaten them. Divine cannons are the most powerful weapons of war. Looks like the Empire is preparing for all-out war. With our current technology, we can make chips to counter divine cannons. But it takes time. We're out of time. The Empire will be coming for you soon. Let them try then. Alliance chip. Only 30% left to activate. We have to inject full-blood magic energy for it to work. And it must be pure energy in a highly resonant state. The Empire's divine punishment weapon. Only 2 hours left until the cannon test fire. If activation fails, the shield system across the eastern border will turn to ashes in the first volley. Turret rotation sensed. Core energy stable. Shields charged to 80%. Entering defensive formation. Transform. Ansa Vevisu, Your Majesty. I knew you would pull these little tricks. Today, you and this pathetic toy will die. Stand behind me. You got here fast. I haven't even seen what the enemy is. Are you ready? I've been ready. Soviet. Focus on activating the chip. Leave this to us. Our mixed magical field can suppress advanced spells. You'll have no problem holding out until you activate the chip. The crab frame is fully linked to the cannon. Target locked. Eliminate. Ah! Impossible. How could vampires and werewolves resonate together? Who the hell are you? Wasting time. Stand with us. No more than an hour. Cannon opening fire. You and this chip will turn to dust. That's none of your concern. We did it. Interference frequency locked. Soviet Empire tactics. It's not 2 hours earlier. It's now. The troops have retreated. Civilians haven't evacuated yet. What should we do? No need to worry. I'm arriving soon. Josh's chip parameters have been loaded. I am infiltrating the cannon's position now. Embedding the chip in the energy circuit. The cannon is charging up. The next shot might pierce the shield directly. Soviet. Be careful. The Empire must have sent intercept troops. These Imperial air cavalry formations are textbook, but too rigid. They think numbers decide everything, but don't know what true wind spirit is. With these metal scraps, they think they can destroy His Majesty's divine cannon. I advise you to surrender, or else you get no burial. I'll prove it. Your Empire's cannon is nothing but junk powered by unstable energy. And you're just its guard dogs. Stealth. Naling, act as planned. Give me a 10-second window. You underestimate me, 10 seconds. I'll give you 15 seconds. Tier 3 Mech. The weak spot is the joint connections. Soviet taught us that. Your opponent is here. If you want to stop him, you must get past me first. Blood magic blade sweep. Form up. Hold steady. System alarm. No, don't fall. From today, your divine cannon is just a pile of scrap. Josh gave the blueprints. Correct. The interface positions are spot on. Counterchip embedded. Josh, start the interference program. It worked. But this is only the beginning. The Empire surely has more than one cannon. Impossible! How could the energy circuit be disrupted? Fix it fast. Soviet spies got the intel. The Empire sent a transport fleet, bringing supermatter crystals to repair the cannon. Those crystals are the cannon's core energy source. We must intercept before they arrive. Otherwise, the cannon will restart. Look closely. This steel celestial shield can take direct hits from Tier 8 spells. As for my Awakens 2 Mech, 4th highest defense rating on the continent, trying to steal the supermatter crystal. You're dreaming. This crystal is the last piece to repair His Majesty's divine cannon. With it, the Empire's frontier will be impregnable. Imperial Fleet Captain, this is your final warning. Stop your invasion. Hand over the supermatter crystal. You think you can? Remember our principle. Only military targets destroyed. Minimize civilian casualties. I'll leave that silver tech to you. Energy frequency stable in the Hertz band. Standard triple-layered shield. Imperial engineers still lack imagination. A shield like that can't stop me. Go now. Divine, nuclear fighter, full firepower. Clear the port defenses. Landing troops, target the flagship deck. Secure the crystal. I've studied your mech specs. Iron Arm Jian 2 armor, thickest 0.37 centimeters. But for fast escape, the hatch lock uses lightweight alloy. That design flaw means no. Don't even think of letting it go. That's Empire property. Empire property. You used it to slaughter 3 border villages, just to test energy purity. Now it's time for redemption. Captain, your mech's defense rating is indeed high. But all mechs share the same flaw. To leave room for emergency escape. That area's armor is 40% thinner than the rest. and right next to the power core conduit. You win. This time, His Royal Highness has led 100,000 troops back from the north. Then tell him, Soviet will be waiting at the port. But you may go back and report. See, the red line is nearing the Verab mine. Moving fast. The Empire won't give us any more time. Imperial princes, bringing 100,000 troops and 500 mechs, coming for us. Target is the Verab mines and our military factory. The mines are the core source of dragon scale alloy. The factory is our foundation. If it's broken through, the consequences would be unthinkable. Verab mine is our dwarven inheritance. We can't let the Empire take it. I'll lead 500 dwarf warriors into battle. We'll fight them to the end. The elves owe you one. This time we'll send 50 mages to support your aircraft. The synergy with the wind crystal core is excellent. Our wind crystal energy can help you boost your firepower. The Blood Clan will also deploy their assassin squad. Blood magic can disrupt the mech's power core. We'll tie down the enemy's rear forces for you. You rabble dare to resist us? The Empire is nothing but a cluster of ants huddling for warmth. In 1 hour, we'll charge and crush them. Those who dare offend our alliance will be punished, no matter how far. Let the Empire witness the power of the alliance. The Empire's mechs are still 3 kilometers from our line. All cannons are in position. Wait for my order and deploy the magical barrier. Open fire and take out these vanguards first. Ah!
No.
This can't be. This is our latest composite armor. Tell the Imperial Prince, if he wants to mess with us, he should first measure his own strength. Victory for Bitter's sake. Victory belongs to us. This is bad. The Empire's main forces have already reached the border perimeter. They brought grade 8 magic artillery array. The barrels are already aimed at our line. This is bad. The Empire's main forces have already reached the border perimeter. They brought an 8th tier magic artillery array. The barrels are already aimed at our line. Soviets, you'd better surrender now. Hand over your mines, munitions factory, and supermatter crystals.
His Majesty might spare your lives.
Otherwise, these 8,000 magic cannons will level you and this land to the ground. It's time to use that move. Let them witness the true power of blood resonance and divine core enhancement. I've been waiting for this. Let them know what real power truly means. Blood resonance. Galactic break. How could the 8th tier magic artillery array be destroyed so easily? The power of the Alliance isn't something you invaders could ever comprehend. The Empire's ambition ends right here today. His Highness the Prince won't let you get away with this. Long live the Empire. Tell your prince, if he wants to flatten my alliance, he'd better prepare for a terrible price. The Soviets destroyed my artillery array and killed my soldiers. Wait for me, for I will bring the Empire's 9th-tier mages and divine core mechs, and turn you and your alliance to ashes. The Soviet Union, hand over the crystal, or this place will be reduced to ashes. Lock-on system debugging. Galactic missiles in position. The Soviet Union, hand over the crystal. Otherwise, this place will turn to dust. 9th level magic. Shadow Devourer. Dark veil descends. All will return to nothingness. The Soviet Union activates the battle armor. I can't hold on. Galactic battle armor. Evolution form activated. Impossible! How can human technology withstand 9th level magic? Your love feels magical. That's it. Before the power of fusion, your magic is nothing but a joke. Galactic missiles are ready. Power comparable to 10th level magic. Soviet Union. The Imperial Prince is charging in with Destroyer No. 2. Finally, the day has come. Soviet Union, I want you to witness. Everything you cherish turn to ashes. This mech represents the Empire's top technology. This time, you have no chance of winning. Soviet Union, you destroyed my artillery array. You killed my mage. Today I will tear you limb from limb. Satellite nuclear cannon shadow blast. Energy output is only 68% of authentic galactic technology. As expected, the Empire is still imitating the surface. But I have to admit, they're improving faster than expected. The Empire even flaunts their junky god core. They can't even stabilize energy. So much for destructive power. Josie, lock on the target first. Prepare nuclear missile. Target locked. Energy response confirmed. Focusing on the Tailstar core reactor in the mech's chest. Weakness analysis complete. Soviet Union, their energy shield, has a periodic fluctuation of 0.3 seconds. Galactic core missiles loaded. 3 simultaneous launches. Precise lock on the mech power core. Firing window. Now is the moment. Lock-on complete. Fire. Don't relax until we hit the target. No, that's impossible. The energy shield was clearly still running. Father, I failed the Empire's expectations. Even the most advanced mech What you're proud of, Shen, was just leftovers from our games. The essence of galactic is not brute force, but precision. The Empire only saw the surface, but never understood its essence. Young Master Soviet Union. Bad news. The Empire's army bypassed the battlefield and ambushed the supply line. All provisions cut off. Soviet Union just intercepted an Imperial encrypted message. Their main force is rushing toward the capital. These are not leftovers. There are 3 full cores. Too late, Soviet Union. You won this battle, but the war has only just begun. Soviet Union, your last land supply route, was cut off by our forces yesterday. Supplies are gone. Let's see how long your isolated city can hold out. 3 days. I'll give you 3 days. If you don't surrender, I'll let you starve behind the city walls.
Damn.
General, emotions won't make the defense stronger. Calm down first. We still have ways. Stored food lasts at most 4 days. The elderly and kids are already on reduced rations. Can't let morale waver. But how do you grip weapons with an empty stomach? The 3 supply convoys we sent were all intercepted and destroyed. Conventional methods can't break through. What now? Forcing supplies through is suicide. We need instant firepower coverage to open a breach and keep the channel open. It must be fast, so fast the enemy can't react. Restructure the defense.
Kyaoxi, launch Galaxy strike craft for saturation bombing.
Northeast Channel. Na Ling covers with 20 fighters. General orders motorcycles to gather. Speed is the only chance. Hold on a bit more. Go. All units, lock onto preset coordinate zones. Fire together. Damn it, they intercepted the supply convoy. They'll never let Yili's food in. Blood Demon Blade. Want to snatch the food supplies? Ask my sword first. Long live young Master Soviet Union. Ling Xiu is in. Finally, we have food. Auntie can't hold on anymore. My stomach's been empty for so long. Thank heavens. Thanks to your brilliant plan. Otherwise, the city would have collapsed from within today. Bunch of losers. Activate the Abyss Barrel. The curtain should fall. Let this final flash lay the foundation for the Empire's domination. Central flame cannon ready. Energy converging at 50%. Target locked on capital core. Ready to fire. Alliance tribes. Now, activate. Galactic Matrix Cannon. Don't relax. The light isn't fully formed yet. Stabilize the output. Pour all the toughness of the earth into it. Wind spirit. Bless him with unstoppable speed. Form a blood pact. Seal this destructive force. Not over yet, Snowvolf Galaxy Blast. Bathe. What's our goal? Impossible. This is the deeper power of the galaxy, as if resonating with the continent's pulse. The Empire's ambition ends here. From now on, sacred continent will no longer be trampled by you. We won. We defended. Long live the Alliance.
Energy scan.
Confirmed presence of high-purity galactic fragments in this world. Reacting as a humble auxiliary. Give up the fragment coordinates. The attack method is completely unknown. Energy nature is totally different from magic. Must clear out the minions first. Protect the civilians. Defense is even tougher than expected. Energy spectrum analysis complete. Their mech's exterior is a highly stable reverse energy field. Conventional attacks are neutralized. We need ultra-pure positive galactic energy for overload collision. Use galactic missiles. Then let's see. Is your reverse energy stronger, or our origin more intense? Fire. You're facing the claws of the Galactic Reapers. They roam the universe, specializing in galactic fragment plunder. Why do they steal galactic fragments? To activate galactic reset. By then, the continent's essence will be drained and become their nourishment. Even the stars will be extinguished. Want to destroy our home? Cross my corpse first, and those of thousands of warriors behind me. This is the key your father Augustus left for me. It records the coordinates to the galactic homeworld. You've passed the trial and trained. To master it is to master your fate. Behind the Soviet Union's rift, there's a fleet. Fragments. Sealed inside are multidimensional coordinates and mental imprints. Father, what did you really leave behind? Leonard, when you see this, it means the Reapers have returned. Go and comprehend the power of the Origin Galaxy. It's the only hope. I will fulfill your mission. Father, watch me. Tian Xi Dao Dao. Key energy signal. Seize the fragment. Eliminate all resistance. Galactic battle armor. Origin form activated. Is this what being closer to the origin feels like? Soviet Union, those are energy parasites. What's worse, they've already lined fleets outside the homeworld. It's a trap. The main Reaper fleet has surrounded the homeworld. Open fire and show these frogs at the bottom of the well their place. Show them what true power really is. Mech units charge. Allied forces from beyond, cover me with your artillery. Imperial soldiers you're so proud of, in the end chose to side with invaders who destroyed their homeland. Disgusting betrayal. Perfect chance to test our new toy on them. Blood resonance. Galaxis himself. Bloodwolf howls at the moon. Galaxy burst. Bloodwolf howls at the moon. Galaxy burst. Impossible! What is this power? So even alien tech crumbles instantly. Betraying your own people. Bringing the wolves into your own house. Rock, you don't deserve to die on a battlefield of honor. You deserve to turn to dust in shame. The core is still moving underground. Josie, begin deep analysis immediately. I need to know every possible outcome. Soviet Galaxis Reaper main fleet is heading toward our sector at maximum speed. Their goal is to seize the source of Galaxis. Galaxis Reaper main fleet is heading toward our sector at maximum speed. Their goal is to seize the source of Galaxis. Their spirit armor is devouring the energy from our artillery. We can't hold out much longer. Galaxis's true strength lies in coexistence. Only by aligning bloodline traits and will, and fusing deeply with Galaxis energy, can we pierce their cores. Narine, pure energy firepower is useless. We need blood resonance. Use your blood magic to guide me. Inject Galaxis energy into the matrix cannon. Core. Hold steady. We won't let you take anything from us. All units, aim at the cracks on their armor. Open fire at will. Effective energy readings show the resonance attack bypassed their absorption mechanism. Support in position. Keep shooting. Boss, turn right. Prepare for round 2. Soviet Union. Detailed coordinates and safe routes to the Galaxis homeworld. It's done. This is the location of the Galaxis origin. As you can see, child, the Reapers have deployed a heavily defended blockade around the homeworld. A Galaxis lockdown line with massive troops. Civilization stands. If you hand over the Galaxis shards and all coordinates, you can resist. If not, your civilization will be erased from the star map. Is this what being closer to the core of the homeworld really feels like? Galaxis armor resonance, homeworld coordinates, unlocked homeworld mode. The battle is over. This time, let's make these uninvited guests stay for good. Permanently welcome them as our guests. It's over. Not good. The battle energy just now destabilized the rift. It's about to collapse. They're calling the Reaper main fleet for backup toward the homeworld. Just like we've always done. Absolutely. Someone must enter the origin core. Manually activate the stabilizer anchor. The energy radiation there will shred any protection. This magic can resist the energy storm. We'll go together, just like we've always done. Galaxis shard. Activate. Snowvolf Tyrant. Soviet Union were fighting side by side again. Soviet expeditionary forces are ready. Galaxis mothership. 500 units of Galaxis mechs. 100 fighters. Ready for deployment at any moment. Warriors, target, Galaxis homeworld. Take back the source. And the harvesters. Activated in the name of protection. The Soviet fleet is the vanguard of the expeditionary forces. They arrive sooner than expected. Galaxis thieves. Pathetic, weak civilization. I can't believe you've made it this far. But this is the end of your journey. Be annihilated. That thing can resonate directly, absorbing our shield energies. There's a lot of them. And they're equipped with those annoying energy siphon weapons. The homeworld is just ahead. We cannot let them block us here. Galaxis armor, long-range mode unlocked. This strength. Remember me. Everyone, stay alert. Don't get caught by that energy net. The energy node is right there. Such power really exists. Activate Galaxis Plunder Matrix. Drain all their energy along with the motherships. Shields dropped by 30%. And still decaying rapidly. They're building a combined energy absorption field. Soviets, we must disrupt them. Plunder. No. This is power you have no right to touch. Give it back to them. We're not here to seek anything, but to reclaim our future. As long as you rely on plundering to survive, we will be your eternal, unyielding enemies. Soviet Narin, look ahead. Just outside the homeworld atmosphere lies an unprecedented energy barrier. There's something behind the barrier. The amount of life energy is off the charts. It's like an entire living fleet of stars. Or maybe the legendary planetary guardian beast. It requires Galaxis shard energy of the same origin to open. This is where my father last stopped. The shard is resonating. Soviet Union. I can feel the ancient calling from behind the barrier. The barrier's open. But the entrance is dangerously unstable. Detected high-density energy entity. I'll go in first to scout. Maintain communication. Soviet, that energy entity. Its strength exceeds all previous records. If anything goes wrong, retreat immediately. Outsiders for 700 years, you've never abandoned your desire to plunder. Now leave the Galaxis homeworld. In that voice, there's more than a warning. There's pain. He was hurt more than once. Shields at full power. Pure energy suppression. This isn't a battle. It's an expulsion ritual. If you won't leave, then be reduced to Galaxis dust. Soviet, there's a pattern to his attacks. After every 3 volleys, there's a 0.3-second pause at the chest. 0.3 seconds. Naring, use magic resonance boost.
Now.
Wait. This feeling. Blood resonance. Am's lineage. You're his descendant. You know, my father? Your father. August spent his life strengthening these defenses. He maintained the barrier with life energy, linked to the core ruin systems.
He said, "My child will come."
He waited 700 years. So he didn't abandon me. No. Soviet main fleet broke through the outer defenses. 12 mothership-class warships are landing. Their target is Galaxis. Matrix urgently needed. Once activated, the 5-star energy will be drained in 72 hours. Here's the key. Go meet your father. Choose to inherit the mission, maintain the barrier, or put an end to it all. Your father didn't wait for a successor or a sacrificial son. Josie, activate combat module. Nareen, prepare for maximum resonance. Linger. You finally made it. The galactic mother planet is a node in the cosmic galactic network. The extragalactic civilization, the Galaxy Reapers, want to absorb energy from all the nodes to dominate the universe. This is the Galaxy Amplifier. It amplifies galactic energy tenfold. It's simply the perfect fusion of science and magic. If it can be utilized perfectly, even the extragalactic fleets would be no match. The energy signals from the extragalactic fleet are on the outskirts of the ruins. Galactic battle armor, amplification. Impossible. How can you operate the equipment of the galactic mother planet? This is my father's legacy. Don't get cocky, you'll die soon enough. The whole planet can't escape. The Reaper's ultimate weapon, the Galaxy Devourer, has been activated. It can devour all galactic energy of an entire planet. Its power surpasses 12th level magic. What level of energy is this? Homeland. In 10 more minutes, the galactic mother planet will be completely drained. All of you will die. We must not let them succeed. Nalin blood resonance. Xiao Shi's galaxy amplifier is the largest. We're going to face this weapon head-on. Ultimate form awakened. One strike is all we need. Linger, you did it. But don't let your guard down. 3 months later, the Reaper's mother planet fleet will arrive. Galactic signal detected. The Reaper mother planet fleet has over 1,000 battleships. Retreat. Someday, I'll be back. Soviet Union we've contacted. Races at other galactic node planets. They are willing to form the Galactic Alliance to stand together against the Galaxy Reapers. From guarding galactic fragments alone, to now gathering the strength of many races. This time we're no longer lone warriors. I'll send all my research data to you. It can further upgrade galactic armor and motherships, and mass-produce galactic mechas. Father, your life's research will not go to waste. I will defend all galactic civilizations with the Alliance. And finish your unfinished work. 3 months. We'll forge a universe-class iron flood. Meteor Galaxy mothership can be upgraded to Galaxy flagship, equipped with the Galaxy main cannon. Its power can destroy interstellar battleships. With Mr. August's technology, the main cannon's charging efficiency can increase by 30%. The Blood Race will also mobilize all their forces to join the Galaxy Alliance. For the vengeance of last time when the Reapers attacked our tribe, we'll settle the score together. The Galaxy Reapers want to wipe out galactic civilizations across the universe. We cannot sit and wait. 3 months later, we'll assemble at the Galactic Mother Planet and stand together to fight. We are willing to join the Galaxy Alliance, side by side for survival. Half of our homeland has already been devoured. May this battle reclaim the stars for future generations. Galaxy Reapers. 3 months later, we'll battle it out. This is the core material for the stable conductive layer of galactic energy. Without it, the energy flow veins of the Mech power core can't form. Forcing activation will cause energy leakage, or even core meltdown. Everyone, bad news. The Galaxy Reaper's Grand Fleet will arrive soon. But we're stuck at the most critical stage. Galactic raw mineral reserves are running out. With current reserves, we can only fully arm at most 300 mechas. But we need at least 1,000. Galactic raw minerals are only found in extremely rich special veins. Every mining site has already been destroyed by previous extragalactic vanguards or galactic turbulence. We excel at breaking rocks, but our galactic energy sensing is poor. We can't locate new veins. There's still one spot, which has a theorized primordial galactic mineral vein. Its purity is over 10 times that of known veins. It's uncharted. What does that mean? It means the environment there is extremely unstable, filled with turbulence, with faint extragalactic civilization energy signals. They may have already set up an outpost. They're already here. We must take it back. Nalin, get ready to depart. Warning, this area has been taken over by the Reaper's 7th Resource Extraction Squad. Leave immediately, or you'll be eradicated. Nalin, eliminate them. Guards, finish quickly. Energy turbulence may erupt at any moment. Perfect opportunity to test the new fusion power. How dare this bunch of scrap metal block the way? Found it. This is the purest core. This energy is enough to save the spaceport. Galactic blood. Return to the source. Stop him. He's plundering and purifying resources. Activate the ore annihilation protocol. Destroy this place. Energy stabilized at 90%. Greedy as ever. Even want to destroy the roots. Josie, immediately accelerate Mecha mass production. We cannot let the extragalactic forces get any closer. They're still hesitating, and keep delaying again and again. That's only going to collapse the battle lines? Soviet Union Commander. Our Yen tribe provided the most resources. Why is the left-wing command given to the Elven tribe? That's not fair. Commander, the defense line got breached. Overloaded explosions. We need reinforcements. Keoxy, activate the galactic beacon to provide precise guidance for Yan tribe's main cannon. Yan tribe warriors are the foundation of the alliance. Their defense line is the alliance's defense line. I'll personally go to the front and execute orders. Vanguard is entering the defense line from the flank. T-Blade is maneuvering on the flank. Maintain formation. Received, Blade. Armor is breached. Sparks are spilling. We're keeping up the pressure. Lock onto the target. Start cutting. See the marker? All main cannons fire together. Keep your sights on the target. Enemy formation is collapsing. A huge discovery. You put aside past grudges in times of crisis. All members of the Yang tribe, from now on, will follow your lead. If there's any dissent, heaven and earth will judge. Alliance exists to fight for survival together. I announce Galactic Basic Technology will be immediately open to all member races. We did it. The Alliance's future, from this moment on, will no longer be divided. Let's go in and see. The truth is inside. You've predicted this day all along, haven't you? Lianer. This is the bloodline fusion device. It deeply binds biological bloodlines with galactic energy, stabilizing them. It's the key to resisting the Galaxy Reapers. Child, the blood race breathing in your body naturally resonates with galactic energy. Your bloodline is responding to him. The principle is to activate bloodline potential with galactic energy, then enhance galactic conduits in reverse. Nalan's blood race bloodline already resonates with galactic energy. It's a perfect time to try. For us, I must become stronger. The galaxy will always exist as long as even a trace remains. And whenever the galaxy fades, it will always be bound together. Sounds like we're tied to the Soviet Union on the same ship now. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the blood race and the stars shared origins from the very beginning. That's amazing. Blood magic and galactic energy have completely fused. Let's try the new power. Galactic Pulse. Success. Nalan's battle stats are rising. Transmit technical parameters to every race. Let all warriors undergo fusion transformation in batches. Devices have been replicated in bulk. Strengthening is expected to finish within a week. Father, is this the spark you left behind? We'll make sure it ignites the universe. Galactic sensors have detected invisible energy. Activate the galactic trap. Playing invisibility games with me. You're still too inexperienced. Their stealth technology can actually evade conventional detection. It looks like their dark matter research is far beyond our expectations. Trying to self-destruct in front of me. Your energy flow. I can smell it even through my battle armor. The configuration, equipment, and secret weapons of the Nethermother fleet. Come clean. Ridiculous. Our fleet's core facility is the Galactic Dominator ship, equipped with the Galactic Stealth Cannon. One shot can destroy an entire planet. Damn, galactic energy directly impacts. The nerves can't stand it at all. According to interrogation data and scan verification, the energy source of the Galactic Annihilator Cannon is dark matter. Starting up the galaxy truly takes 3 minutes. A 3-minute warm-up. For us, it's both an opportunity and a trap. The enemy knows we may obtain this information. They're very likely to have set up countermeasures. We must design multiple plans. This is our breakthrough point. Focus for battle preparation. Targeting the warm-up window of the Galactic Dominator ship. Take it out in one move. Targeted jamming devices are being installed. And preparing electronic illusions. Fleet swaying. Let's go. Let the stars witness our resolve. Humble vassals of the galaxy, your time is up. Either submit to the galactic harvesters and become a part of the cosmic order, or together with this planet, become nourishment for galactic energy. The meaning of the galaxy has never been about plunder or hegemony, but about protection. Today, with steel and blood, let's show these invaders that the galactic civilization cannot be insulted. Activate the Alliance defense line. Deploy all forces. Victory, victory. Since that's the case, prepare to become dust in the universe. Galactic Annihilator Cannon, activate. Dominator Sword core energy rapidly increasing. Annihilator Cannon warming up. 3-minute countdown. Matches the intelligence. But the warm-up is 8 seconds faster than expected. The enemy did indeed optimize. Our action window is even tighter now. Citizens, channel open. Tracking coordinates locked. Preparing to fire. All units are ready. Flagship main cannon energy at 90%.
100%.
The armored battalion can deploy at any time. We've waited so long. Finally, we can return the favor. Those destroyed homes, our fallen comrades. Today, you'll pay back 100-fold. The shield remains solid. Firepower up another 30%. Received full fleet firing mode. Evacuate immediately. Commander of the Soviet Union, our main cannon isn't powerful enough to break through their defense grid. If the energy keeps draining like this, the fleet's defensive line will collapse. These shells seem to be mocking our firepower. Their energy cannons continually suppress our trajectories. The calculations are terrifyingly precise. Our supply fleet is completely blockaded. We can't get near the front line at all. Soviet commander must find a breakthrough quickly. Energy is evenly distributed. Feedback strength is consistent. A perfect ring formation. But the more perfect it is, the more it depends on stable core nodes. Kaspacho West analyzes the energy structure of the defense grid. The ring can't be invulnerable. There has to be one core node driving all the energy. Its energy fluctuation is 37 times greater than other ships. That's the energy center of the defense grid. But Soviet Union, around it, there are at least 10 elite mechas with extremely strong energy reactions, guarding closely, also detecting 3 layers of overlapping composite defense magic arrays. Breaking in by force would be suicide. Then we go soft. Notify all ships. Concentrate fire and perform regional feints on the defense grid. Create energy disturbances. Give me time and openings. I'll go with you. My blood magic is good at advancing and breaking armor. The core of sneaking in is to draw more attention. The more vulnerabilities it creates. You stay on the flagship. Coordinate the rhythm of the feints. Watch for abnormal movements from the surrendering fleets. I just feel their silence is suspicious. Start up the operation module. Such strong power, pure exposure, plus an extreme application of galactic energy. Can't brute force this. Need to find a weakness created by his ideal. Detected residual waves of abnormal galactic energy. Executing purge protocol. Just one more to go. Galactic doppelganger. All warships, focus fire and attack. Formation changes to assault. Don't give them a chance to regroup their defensive line. The enemy mobilized alien forces. You ruined my toy. Barely worthy. As my first opponent upon my arrival here. Destroying civilization, looting resources, turning other races' hopes into nourishment for themselves. Is this what you call a guardian? Absolutely laughable. Origin civilization are the real fools. They actually attempt to share precious galactic energy with all lower races in the universe. Only absolute control can establish eternal order. Only we harvesters have the right to define peace. It's over. Soviet Union. His armor's energy level far exceeds expectations. Initial scans show its dark matter metal, combined with highly compressed black star core. I'll go support him. Not following the plan, staying on the flagship. Stabilize the fleet formation. I'll keep him busy. Dominating the universe was never the galaxy's meaning. You're just a traitor consumed by greed. Galactic doppelganger, triple split strength. That's the dumbest choice. Daring to appear before me.
Impossible.
You actually managed to hurt me. His armor energy is deteriorating. Push harder. See? This is the consequence for your so-called belief in guardianship. You have no idea what true galactic power is. Contract civilization. They're just too weak. Created such a magnificent energy source, but don't dare to let it rule, to conquer. Instead, they dream of sharing it. What a waste. Even if Origin Civilization's choice seems weak to you, that does not justify your reckless looting, nor your destruction of other civilizations. Their extinction is inevitable, and we, the Watchers, are the true inheritors of galactic power. The meaning of the galaxy is never exclusivity nor destruction. It is possibility, connection, hope. The power to protect what is real. Galactic armor origin form unlocked. This light, impossible. This is the origin energy of the galaxy. Only with the original galaxy's approval can someone truly inherit the Origin Civilization, the successor of the spiritual core. Could awaken, how did you manage it? Impossible. The galactic momentum is being lost. It's being purified. What power is this? The power of Origin. It's the legendary core origin power of the galactic source. Soviet, he has truly become the inheritor of the Origin. Warriors of the Alliance. Did you see that? That's our commander, the true guardian of the galaxy. Follow his light and launch an all-out attack. You're just stalling for time. The galaxy's ultimate power is destruction and domination. Your complicated theory of guardianship is worthless before true destruction. Guardianship is never weakness. It's because we cherish that we possess an even stronger power. Evil curse, fix shockwave. Guardianship is never weakness. It's because we cherish that we have an even stronger power. Through my hand, galactic shockwave. Your greed, your obsession, your twisted understanding of power, it ends here. Origin judgment. Power, my order, my dream. Long live Commander Soviet. Long live the Galactic Alliance. We won. Next is cleanup time. All Mech squads, move out with me. Pursue the victory, leave none behind. The core of the remaining extragalactic forces is broken. To keep resisting means only pointless destruction and death. Put down your weapons. Surrender immediately. This is your one and only final choice. Otherwise, you'll be eliminated without mercy. Deactivate all weapon systems. Cease all counterattacks. Lower the Reaper battle flag. We surrender. Is this victory? Number. This only ended a mistaken war. The real challenge is how to build an order where such mistakes never arise again. Soviet Commander Yan doesn't speak fancy words. What you are protecting is the foundation for all galactic civilizations to survive. From this day forward, the Yan clan looks to you alone. Soviet Excellency. The title of commander is not enough to describe your achievement today. You are truly the guardian of the galaxy, the embodiment of the spirit of the origin civilization in this new era. The preliminary Soviet statistics are complete. Over 60% of the extragalactic main fleet has been lost. The remaining 127 ships of all types have surrendered, including the Galactic Dominator ship. Everyone, we have just won a crucial battle. We crushed the ambitions of the galactic harvesters whose goal was plunder. This is not my personal victory. Without Cass, Josie in the rear for technical analysis and tactical support, Nani on the front for coordination and command, and the Yan clan, the elves and all the Alliance warriors fighting bravely, and all races providing resources and trust from the rear. I could have done nothing. But we've only defeated their main fleet. According to known intelligence, the Harvester civilization is vast, with radical ideologies. It's hard to guarantee there are no other remaining forces or extremists, hidden deep in the universe, or plotting revenge. For the future we all protect together. Long live the Galactic Alliance. Follow the Soviet Guardian. Long live the Galactic Alliance. Follow the Soviet Guardian. Long live the Galactic Alliance. Initiate the in-system dark matter galaxy overload countdown. Let us, together with this ridiculous mother planet, become the most brilliant fireworks, offered to the great will of the harvest. Follow the Soviet Guardian. Long live the Galactic Alliance. Foolish victors. The galactic harvesters have no losers, only martyrs. You think the war is over, but true evolution is just beginning now. Initiate the in-system dark matter galaxy overload countdown. Let us, together with this ridiculous mother planet, become the most brilliant fireworks, offered to the great will of the harvest, detecting ultra-energy fusion reactions. It's dark matter from the warship's power core. The stellar core is being forcibly driven to overload. 10 ships. Calculate explosive yield simultaneously. Equivalent to 10 small stars, detonating at close range at the same time. Josie. Maintain the shields around the flagship and main fleet at full strength. Prepare to counter potential shockwaves. Narin, immediately lead the rapid response fleet. Suppress disturbances from surrendered ships. Be careful. I'll handle these ships myself. I won't let their madness taint the home we've earned with our victory. Galactic origin. Energy web, galactic evolution. No. The galaxy's pulse no longer responds only to me. It is becoming an extension of my will, like a second bloodstream, silently spreading through the darkness. Linger. 3,000 years ago when I chose to seal myself, I thought the galaxy was just a chain of order. But I was wrong. All these years, what I saw deep within the galaxy is something older than order. The galaxy is not a cold machine. It's the source of life in the universe, the breathing heart of the cosmos. These points of light, each one, is a seed of civilization once nurtured by the galaxy. The source of life, that's why it can heal planets corrupted by darkness. And not just that, it can grant new life and transform decay. I'm entrusting you with the last essence of the galaxy. This isn't merely a gift of power. Accept it, and you'll become the embodiment of the galaxy in the material world. You won't just wield power, you will be the power itself. Father, I am ready. His energy fluctuations are now resonating with the entire star and mother planet. Alpha matter is merging with his cells, not just reshaping his life form. Biotoxins are being redefined. This is beyond all known life levels. I can see every node in the galactic network, every world awaiting rebirth. Go now. Unveil the new chapter. If the galaxy is the source of life, then creation should be like this. I can directly sense the heartbeat of the planet, every pulse, every breath. Mother Planet's galactic energy and toxin are fully stable. Chaotic fluctuations are zeroed out. We did it. This is only the beginning. There are 721 nodes to repair. Let's start rebuilding. Not just buildings, but connections. This is designed according to galactic network nodes. Joint Research Institute. Knowledge from 7 civilizations will truly be exchanged here for the first time. Wait, what kind of reading is this? High energy reaction detected underground. Everyone fall back. Harvesters never admit defeat. Now that the leader has lost, we'll destroy everything you rebuild. Galactic technology must never see the light of day again. They're equipped with galactic jammers. Energy suppression area is expanding. Our galactic weapons are completely disabled. No, this interference targets not only external energy, it's cutting off the connection between the galaxy and bloodline origins. Harvester remnants? Using 30,000-year-old antique jamming tech against me, who now communicates with the galaxy. Who are you insulting? In my domain, you don't make the rules. You take the 6 units on the left. I'll handle the base on the right. It's our turn to strike back now. Impossible. Magic and bloodline should both be suppressed. This is pure physical destruction. Who said I need magic? This is a reverse resonance device, right? Too bad I am the galaxy itself now. All rules require my permission. Detected 16 weak energy sites moving through the crust. Split into 4 teams to clear them out. I want to make sure there's not a single pest left by sunset. The last stronghold has been cleared. Soviet Galactic Mother Planet is completely secure now. Evolving into snowball form. They're all waiting for me to speak. The galaxy's pulse is with me. Today we establish the new order of the Cosmic Galactic Alliance. No plundering galactic energy. Shared galactic technology. All civilizations coexist as equals. Violators will be sanctioned by the Alliance. We are willing to follow the new order. Abandon plundering. Join the Alliance. And atone for past crimes. Soviet Guardian, our Yen clan is willing to offer our mineral veins to support the Alliance's galactic network construction. The elves will provide wind spirit energy to strengthen the galactic barrier and protect all galactic nodes. Here is the specific charter of the new order, already translated into the languages of each race. You all may review it. Support the new order and honor the Soviet Guardian. The battle for the cosmos begins today. We will eventually reach the other shore. I didn't expect you to actually establish a new order. Your father's wish has finally come true. Peace is the inevitable trend. All civilizations have responded. They're willing to join. My goal has finally been achieved. Data confirmed. Everyone, we won! Could the prophecy really be true? The system is collapsing. Data is being corrupted. What is that? What is this? The energy fluctuation doesn't belong to the galactic harvesters. Abnormal frequency. The energy signature shows absolute control and devouring traits. This is an attack. It's more like the pulse of something awakening. There's no mistaking this presence. This is an active signal from the Dark Galaxy civilization. They're not just later invaders. They were born alongside the Galactic Origin civilization. But they became twins on fully opposite paths. The Origin civilization nurtured the galaxy and maintained the network of life across the universe. But the others devoured the galactic source, reducing everything to pure competition and nothingness. That was their reason for existence. Legend says that after the ancient war of light and dark eras, they suffered a heavy defeat and fell into eternal slumber at the edge of the universe. Now, this signal means they're waking up. If we're talking about pure danger and destruction levels, they're far beyond the galactic harvesters. It's finally time to settle this. No matter what kind of threat it is, or where it comes from, or what its purpose is, if it intends to harm the galaxy, or destroy this hard-won balance, I'll protect it to the end. This is my responsibility, and also my calling. Whether I'm facing the harvesters, or the so-called dark galaxy, your path is my path. I'll stand by you against any enemy. Follow the Federation Guardian. Protect the balance of the universe. Dark Galaxy Civilization. I'll be waiting for you on the galactic homeworld.